Mid-band worked. So first mid-band after SRES. Good. So I'll get started shortly. Yes, yes. Let's do this. Embed. Okay, I think our audio is good. Audio is good. Zoom is good. Everything is good. All right. So. Forex factory. All right, let's do this. TGs didn't work. Good morning, everybody. Monday, August 4th, 9:13 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to superareas.com, a lifetime in person. Thank you for coming in. I know it's a long weekend here in Canada. However, U.S. market is open, and that's why you don't see as much crowd today in person. So hopefully those that are having a good long weekend enjoy their time. So after a crazy July, earnings and FOMC interest rate market did bounce back a little bit on Sunday night, and then it's up around R1 at the moment. So let's take a look at what is on the agenda Monday, August 4th. Factory orders at 10 o'clock and loan officer survey. So this week, only tomorrow at 10 o'clock, we have high impact. August 7th, we have unemployment. Other than speeches, nothing really crazy. But the next week from 12 to 15th is, of course, we have a bit of a, again, red news. So there's no red news today. Earnings, we don't have any crazy earnings today. So that is a good thing. Let's take a look at what Nasdaq did last night. Areas have been updated, and we're kind of have all the craziness of long and bulls is gone. So before I begin anything, so this stream will run from 9:15 a.m. till 12 p.m. Eastern. I will do the analysis for the new users that just joined. I will kind of start with you guys around 10:30, 10:30 at 11. I will do an orientation, first day orientation, and then we'll give you some homework. You'll do it, and then I'll put you in the different office starting tomorrow. And then you have any trading experience? No, okay, no problem. So definitely Majid Bhai will help you out getting started. Base is up, pressure is up. Let's see which way for Nasdaq market goes. Where is our 22,232 is the up. So last night market went as high as 23,085. Market went down as 22,822. So whole night 263 points from opening to the highest point. Where are we right now? 78. We are somewhere. R1 is officially done, by the way. So if you took R1, you were somewhat done. Now the gaps are bigger now because now we have, this is historic values. We have all-time high of Nasdaq 23,845. I am planning R3. So my plan is R3. 23,300 is my plan. That is expected high. That's where I am planning to do short. Yes, you have a high and lows. The 63.10 to 62.51. So 61 point move. So again, I am looking at 63.50. The last night's, expected high. High to go low, but areas could very well work, even R1, R2, R3. There's no crazy news. So we will really see what's going on. We will go along with the plan. So expected high is my plan for ES, and if I have to go long, I will go approximately long somewhere 22,700 expected low. Expected low 22,700. Why? That's roughly my area of Friday low. So if market decides to go down and there are more sellers in the market, I would like to go and see if it tests Friday low. So we do have a Friday low somewhere around 800, 22,800. So expected low is Friday's extreme low. As you see, the levels are starting to rise a little bit because of the 200-point push. So that's my plan. Let's see. We'll sit down. When I was driving here, I opened up the phone and I posted a video how to trade Ninja Trader through live account through the phone. And I took my R1, 5 micros, $100 is done already before I got here because alert scheme, R1 I saw, took 5 micros for 10 points and I was done. So that is my update for my live account for today. We'll see. I'll find an opportunity and I'll decide, all right, which way, what opportunity I want to take. We'll listen to Daniel's brief. And of course, anything I say is only for educational purposes, informational and entertainment. And nothing I say here should be considered financial advice. If you take my recommended personal trades, you are responsible for your own wins or losses. I am not. I'm here just for data analysis, and that's about it. So I know it's a long weekend, but it's not a long weekend for America. So that's why we are here. Let me set up my control center properly. So I got everything in order. So market will open. Of course, there'll be maybe some less volume because Canadian banks are closed. But let's see, civic holiday for Canada. And so last week was a little bit of a crazy week. Earnings back to back and everything in between. So we are inside our all right. Let's see. And so above R1 at the moment, roughly around 82, 80 number. Let's see which way it wants to go. My personal targets on take profit every day is $500 a day. That's my personal target. $500 a day means $100 in each account. I will get $500 at 9 p.m. In order to make $100 in each account, I need 5 micros to move 10 points. That's all. And then I will have 100, 100, 100, 100. So that's it. Simple as that. It's not as complicated. My goal is to make $100 per account across 40 accounts. That will put it up to 4,000. But my goal is, let's see. But micros is my thing. I do all my live accounts as I show on Friday on micro. Primarily, when I will do ES and NQ when things are actually, I don't even do NQ. I do ES when things hit expected high, expected low. So my goal again is to extract $500 so I've extracted $100 on my live. On my funded, I got $400, 500 left. It would be a good day to recover a bit of a money spent at vacation yesterday. So when you take your family of 6 somewhere, it adds up fast, right? So it's okay. We earn to burn. Simple as that. So, but the good thing is, I had an opportunity to drive across the border in US. So I was, and you buy, let's say, a fuel something or grocery or maybe a fast food chain restaurant, and it is so funny to spend that wise money inside US because you kind of stole it from the US economy, right? US exchanges. And you're spending back in there. So a person from Canada got up, has an account, earned the money from Take Profit, Perdia, Legends, Apex, stored, and then spent it within their economy, right? So it's so this time, first time, I feel good because then you're not spending a Canadian dollar inside an American. So it's not like I have to earn Canadian, exchange up. And so a lot of time it's fun to invest, I mean, spend money back in US as so especially fuel is cheaper. So when we filled up our vehicle was like 63 US dollars for and a Sienna gives you almost like a 900 kilometers on a tank, right? So it's fun. And then my son is like, it's not taking anymore. Here it's like 90 bucks. And oh man, it's 65 US dollars and it's done and it's over with, right? So U.S. economy is very strong, very powerful. We'll see. So the swing has come now. Fibonacci tool has been updated. So let's see where. So Fib tool, if you look at on a 60 minutes, we have a new number 22,788, and the swing was, if you look in 60 minutes, swing was almost 1,050 points. So am I not missing Daniel's brief, right? Yeah. No, sorry. We want to find out. So let's inject in these numbers in the fib tools just to figure out. So our anchor price is 22,788. Uh, 22, yeah, the swing is 1059. It's coming from a lower low. And let's pick a chart style of minimal clean, for example, just to, and you see how clean this chart is now? Kind of gives you the boxes, kind of tells you the ratios. So it will make your, rather than I drew 4 lines or 5 lines, I drew 1 line with the single points. So it's telling you at 23%, 23,037, which is our R1 area. So the next could be healthy correction somewhere around 23,192 or 200. Then you have psychological, golden, and take a look at 23,000. So I'm planning somewhere around 50%. So 23,300 is what my plan is, for which falls us into expected low. So market is going to open in 5 minutes, and we'll go from there. 23,300 is good.
You take all the levels of crypto?
No, one first, one after another. वो जो everyday करते हैं ना, पहले छोटा लेना है, फिर अगर उसके अगला स्टॉप हुआ, नहीं ज्यादा मेरा personal favorite is 61 and higher. That's it gives me, if I get stuck, I will get some points out of it, right? So if you're having hard time watching the white minimal clean, you can change it to, let's say, professional light, gives you a little bit different, and modern dark will give you slightly different if you like it. So now a few images that I updated on the fib tool was, you kind of have a box, gives you an idea rather than having 5 lines. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's plan some stuff. In about 4 minutes, we will go somewhere in terms of price opening and movement. Maybe a bit of a quiet day altogether. So Daniel's brief is going to start shortly, and we'll go from there. So it should at least go down to maybe R1 to S1 or R2 to S2. But to do a good short, I would like to have personally price go to expected high. But let's see. May not go. Cannot promise. But that's the plan for today.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Sat Shri Akal. Hello, guys. Thank you. Microphone check.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Sorry, guys, I got late entry in the chat room. So sorry, I missed before 9:25. Anybody send me a greeting message? So I'm so sorry. Apologize for that. Shaji, good morning. Walaikum salam. Vikram ji. Perfect ji, good morning. Good morning, Jane ji. Everybody, good morning ji. Quick review of our disclaimer, guys. All material and posting on our web service or on our training floor not attended as trading advice. They're just meant to enhance your trading decision, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility for any profit or loss. You're solely responsible for all your actions. And don't think you made money yesterday. You'll make it today. Always be on your toes. Always place your stops and always ready to accept those losses and do what you see, don't do what you think, and treat this market the very first day you treat. And all the areas we have on our superareas.com or on our graphs are not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and education purposes only. And we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, overall, will be a slow day, actually, very slow day, if not manipulated by some whale. So overall, our S&P 500 high is 63.43 to 55. S&P low is 62.40 to 62.27. Nasdaq, our expected high is 23,230 to 300. Our low for Nasdaq is 22,770 to 700. Civic holiday in Canada, so big chunk of the volume, big chunk of money is out from the market. So there's very, very slow. Hamid, अपना mic off रखेंगे. Hamid, please अपना mic off रखें. And will be a slow day. But right now, if you see R1 is done, and again, price is trying to test our R1 again. Friday, 229 point swing to the downside. Went to our expected low for the day. Expected low for the day. Hit low, bounced back up. Around 31% push to the upside. 70. Imagine 30% is 70 points of that swing. And it's supposed. Hamid, अपना mic off रखें, please. Hamid, अपना mic off रखें. मैं ऑफ कर देता हूँ जी आपका माइक, सॉरी.
Sir, we can't hear you, sir. Sir, we can't hear you.
Sorry, I mute myself too. Sorry. Again, guys, today keep eye on our striking price, expected high and then striking price. So 62.42 striking price for S&P 500, 44220 for our Dow, 23,232 for Nasdaq, and 2210 for our Russell 2000 will act as very, very strong resistance and a very strong area for break as well. If it breaks, then we'll see a push to that. So long term, remember, now we are in down push. So 229 points on our S&P, 1,070 points on Nasdaq. That's a big push to the downside. 98.70 cents for our Russell 2000 and 1,388 points on our Nasdaq. Sorry, Dow. Our Dow came down 40% push to the upside, 48%. Russell 32%, Nasdaq, and 31.7% our S&P 500. R2 will be tested and then expected high. First go up, green midband to go up, and magenta midband to go down. And then we have currencies. If you see currencies, Friday it went up when our all markets was coming down. So currencies were strong; they were going up. They moved in opposite direction. So British pound went up, and right now even break our Friday high area. Canadian dollar is banana. If you see Friday, Canadian dollar went up crazy, and now Canadian dollar break our expected high for the day. If you see today, base is up, pressure is up, for mostly markets are up. Or Euro went up, very strong push to the upside. Right now, Euro is very close to our expected high for the day. Very close to our Friday highs. Crude oil is down. Crude oil went to our expected low for the day, already hit, and actually it's a bit below our expected low for the day. So let me check what was our expected low for the day for our 65.50, and 65.50, just kissed 4 ticks below our expected low for the day. S3 is there, S3, and $2.28. That's a big push to the downside. $3 and minus $1.18. I would say like $4 plus push to the downside from Friday till now. That's a humongous push to the downside on our crude oil from the push that we had to the upside. Euro was up, European session was up, so it will take our US session to the upside as well. So Euro, if you see FTX open at 330 and shoot to the upside, $411 push to the upside. And right now sitting at our expected high for the day, actually very close to our expected high and bounce back down. Gold is up. Gold Friday went up and Sunday again opened with the gap. First it went up, then push to the downside, and right now break our Friday high. We might see our expected high for the day is done on our gold. $92.05 came down 28%. $26 came down, and right now $31.10. That's a big push to the upside on our gold. And overall, keep in mind, guys, this is a packed strategy. Gold only go long on the gold. Gold was out and gold was screaming and telling us, I will go up. I'm thirsty to go up from 33.19. If you remember, I'm talking about July 30th. It was on Wednesday when we had that low. $70 push to the downside. Actually, it was a huge 35.10. You can say 35.10. It came down almost 200 points. $190 push to the downside and covering up, and then you see make a very strong push to the upside. Oh my God! If anybody who go long from when it was out from 240 chart, they made like thousands of dollars just with one lot. And then copper is up. Copper, actually, it was flat, but break our high. And that open on Sunday breaks, and right now copper is pushing up. Silver is
order filled.
If gold is going up, it's a very simple formula. If gold is going up, silver will go up. Our natural gas is down. Natural gas break our Friday, actually Sunday low, get in between S1 and S2 area, and right now just retracing back up. It's not going up. It's just retracing up. Bitcoin is dead from Sunday open. It's dead right now, sitting at PP, but it has to go up. But when it will go up, when after August 10, 8 to 10, we'll see. Either you will see a push to the upside or to the downside. But August 10, after August 10, we'll see 8, 9, 10. These mark these 3 dates for our cryptos. Ethereum is going up. Ethereum is really beautifully going up. $116 push to the upside from last night, Sunday. It came down $412, and right now it's just 28% push to the upside. But we're sitting at R1 area. All other markets, guys, the best strategy is first go up, because the brutal drop to the downside, minimum I'm expecting 130 point push to the upside. Somewhere I would say 30, 36, 80, 85, this is the area. where I'm expecting for the S&P to go up. And Nasdaq, same thing. Nasdaq should go up somewhere 400, 23, 400 area. It's simple. Keep eye on striking price, guys. That's why I'm telling you, striking price will play a big role today, tomorrow, this whole week. And news today, we don't have much news. Just factory orders are coming. We're not going to get much impact. But tomorrow we have ISM final service PMI and ISM service PMI is coming. And Wednesday we have FMC member speeches at 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, whole till the closing we have important. And then nothing going on. And then we have Friday. Friday, not much, but FMC member speeches are coming. The important is the Tuesday inflation data is coming. That will impact. PPI is coming next week. And we have core retail sale. Next week is very important, but this week we'll see a slow week. We'll see a retracement nicely. You see how beautiful push to the upside on our Dow. Nasdaq very nicely pushed to the upside, R2 area. And best is to go up and then goes down. Just keep the stop, mid-band green to go up and mid-band magenta to go down. 17 to 20, it's at our 20 area. S&P and Nasdaq, our area is, R2 area is 120 to 140. I penetrate from there. Just sit and run, guys. Just keep eye on our striking price today. Please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be there.
Price is inside R2 for both markets. There you go. Shot up straight to R2. Let's see. R2 is almost, R1 is done, R2 is done. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. That just shot up straight, 60-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute, every candle just went up one way. Slowly coming down. $153, $157. Just broken R2, R1. Let's see, getting towards expected high soon. ES is inside R2. And more up. That midband got missed a little. All right, we're inside the very close to expected high now for both markets. All right, 23,200. We're 100 points away from our $22,213, 215, straight up. 230 is over area. Let's see. No, wants to still go up. 213. $219. So be ready, guys. Your area is coming. Nasdaq over expected high is coming. So went to 227. Let's see. Yeah, R3 is, yeah, it should be okay. So our strike price was 232. It went to 227. So it didn't break it yet. Bit of a battle between going down or up. Let's see. Hello, sir. Kia jara. 3020 is severely overbought. 99.7. 1510 is overbought. 1537 point swing. Let's see. Or sir. Sir, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰ ਦੋ. That's it. Take profit. Round 2, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰ ਦੋ. ਹਾਂਜੀ 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 ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਲਿਮਿਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਦ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਾਸ ਕਦੋਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ 2 ਦਿਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਗੇ 2 ਦਿਨ ਲੱਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਤੇ ਈਏ ਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਪੀਏ ਦਾ ਪੈਸੇ ਲੱਗਣੇ ਨੇ ਈਏ ਦੇ ਚ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ करने होंगे बिल्कुल 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 मैं देना सर 1 मिनट दे दियो हुणी आना right let's see came down to 200 what's the base 180
125 cutting, profiting with you. Yes. Yes, 1.25 yes, गड़बड़ करते हैं पता नहीं इसको फिर कब वो चार्ट आ गया ना तो इसको रिसर्च शो करेगा स्पोर्ट शो करेगा तो तब ये ऊपर गया ना इसको 6325 से ऊपर कैच कर ऊपर चला गया तो अभी ऊपर गया मेरे को ऊपर चला गया बहुत अच्छा गेट हुआ लेकिन वो स्टॉप लॉस इसका वो कर गया स्टॉप लॉस हिट करेगा नहीं लो आएगा अभी क्या रहेगा लो आएगा तो अभी रेड से नीचे आएगा एक अगर वो काउंट आएगा नीचे अब तक हिट हो गया उसको क्रॉस कर गया रेड के ऊपर तो नीचे तो आपको पहले लगाना चाहिए
All right, mid-band worked again. Beautiful. 225, let's see. All right, if area got hit to 229. $238, we're inside the area. So our expected high is officially done for Nasdaq. There you go. Expected high is done. $23,328. Back up to testing the area again. $242.
Wow.
It's 3%. Yes, it also.
दोनों साथ से जा रहे हैं.
Let's see if there's a reversal now, straight up from R1 went to R3, both markets almost. The drop that came Thursday, Friday, it's the recovery of that happening. The two boxes are saying 620, but before is 442, 317.
Yes, sir. 63 for Nasdaq or just for yes, 65. 63. If you want, we can wait. 63. Yeah, that's what I'm in the morning. I will receive. You can put no, good. It's up to you. And this one will put it 633. 23.
Let's see if it comes down to test at least R2. $263 became today's high. Yes, is severely of 99.95. Sorry? Mid-band could be, this is 1510 mid-band, even if I'm not taking it. Because look, market straight up went from where to kahan se kahan chali gayi. Yeah, like it's, we in the morning said around 50, but let's see.
We're putting a 50, but after seeing
See, Nasdaq is not stopping. Every tech stock is up. This had pushed us from where? Like from R1 to R3, almost 200 points in a matter of half an hour, right? Uh, 600. 600.
this is by mistake putting related to 300. I'm doing it in this book. Which we check.
Maybe 25, 30.
शेयर चल सकते no this is the cost नहीं दे चलेगा वो 14 पॉइंट दे रहे तो के नीचे
11.
don't let it down.
Or you get the problem with the higher low, higher lows, let me go step. No, so stay very and able to say that. So it's very different. Simulation.
If you can make which hundred and simulation, you can make it. Very good, very good.
It's this unindicated. The China comes achievable. This could be the careful.
And if you have a training,
Thirty 20 mid been worked.
Which one is safer, 30, 20, 15?
No, डिपेंड करता है दोनों क्योंकि इतना severely overbought था तो 30-20 बनता था ना
Okay.
तो
यहाँ पे था ना where we can see it's overbought.
वो देखें RSI की line it's 99 it was at 99 points.
Oh yes, 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 yes.
Thirty 15-10 is giving us SRES. Let's see. But Nasdaq is not stopping at all. Okay.
ये इसका लास्ट जो है लास्ट पे चला फिर के लास्ट 48 पे चला.
Okay.
Stickers like the trading market is it is not it's showing easily market.
Even though change. Here you can they're coming through from your to change.
That 43 should work. Should work. So does it break 263? Let's see. $41. God, as high as 41. So what's the gap between those two today? Yes, and Nasdaq level 70. 371 divided by 75, almost 5. Same. No retracement at all.
Sir, so to us,
Yes, very close to expected high.
Good job.
which means you sell your what make your deal. When if ATM goes right there and then goes to the ATM. Sure.
3020 has a bit of a divergence because price went up to higher high. The strength did not go up. Didn't break. Let's see. Took something? Okay. Where are you shorted from? Okay. Expected high is done. That's 264. Couple of accounts I'm in from R2. Should I do an average? Waiting for a retrace. Give a bit of a retrace from expected high to 212, but nothing. Should come down to One more mid-band, testing 1510. That mid-band work too. Give us a couple of points. Yes, wants to go to expected high very badly.
45.
There you go. Done. The officially our area came to
42%.
yeah 42.5.
Mm. All is not done, right?
Sorry, not. It's really. It's only 2 ticks away from the official number, so kind of done ही है जी.
कैसे रहेगा?
Hmm.
नहीं आएगा.
Hello, sir. ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਹੈ? A1 or was? So I'm considering ES done, kind of like in the lower range for the 42 range is done.
आएगा सर ये. Still hovering around.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah. You will get it. Yeah, नीचे गए.
Slowly coming down, but not much. Divergent, is it? Let me check the strike price for yes. It's not. No, it's not. No longer. So look at the strike price was 63.42, acted as a resistance, came down from 63.42, and we're done for the trade. Done. Okay, the expected high is done.
But he started immediately.
Still no retrace.
किसी ने पकड़े हैं 68
यानी काफी लोगों ने जिन्होंने हाँ ये Nasdaq भी एरिया से डन हो गया around 230 and ES भी around 42. This midband worked as well, kind of. It's still working. Again, stuck in R3. Nasdaq is. Need 100 points down from here. 23,244. No retrace. So fell 1,000 points, almost 1,100, and went back up almost 500 points. So this mid-band after divergence worked too. So, आपका day 1 है? आपने Okay, so you okay, no problem. Okay, first day, okay. So we'll get started in about 10 minutes or so. No problem. No retrace at all. Both ES and Nasdaq didn't give us good enough retrace. ES did a little bit, but not. Sorry? Again, first, it's a from 2 days, from Thursday and Friday, market fell down 1,000 points, and now it gave back almost like 500, recovered. So let me see from this point how much it can retrace. That's what we are. Today's retracement hasn't happened, so that's all we're waiting for right now. So in technically speaking, it should come around 140, 150 zone. Let's see. So first reversal generally is around 10:45 to 11. stuck around 240. Okay. Let's see. 3020 is coming down slightly. Let's see if it shows divergence. हाँ जी हाँ जी, थोड़ी सी रिट्रेस चाहिए जी हमें. $342 to $142. Six.
One go to summit.
कहाँ पर भी?
ओपन करके फिर उसको करके 15 टाइम फिर आप टूल पे जाके तो उसमें ऑप्शन मुझे कितनी येलो आता है इसको रिफ्रेश कर क्योंकि
Kan कि करो बाकी और वो कहते हैं 4 से ज़्यादा आदमी
Trying to test expected high one more time. Yes, is coming to mid-band. Let's see. Maybe? I'll fix that right now. Okay. Just testing the mid-band coming down from a 3020 is inside a retrace. One. All right, shot back up.
If it goes up here again,
Yeah, let's see. Settle बिल्कुल ऐसे.
what is the
लेकिन 43 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर. If it tries, let's see where it tries to test.
मॉर्निंग वाला 50 आपने रखा हुआ था दैट्स ऑल
Sorry?
मॉर्निंग यू पुट इट फॉर 50
Yeah, no, that didn't come. आया ही नहीं. Is both. सर ये किस्मत पे है. मैं तो 50 पे बैठा हूँ. अगर ना आई तो आ गई. हाँ. वो पहली first time it turned around from 40 to 50. Now we're back in expected high. Let's see. Yes, no retracement. This Nasdaq is going to kill me today. From R2. All right, so we're inside, and now if you took anything, you took anything. So second. No, officially ES is done now.
2 points good
That's good.
एक तो एक्टिवेट हो रहा है ये आपके तो मिड बैंक की अपने
ये लगाते ना सोच रहा हूँ कौन सा लगा ATM इसके सोच पे
तो 43 पे लगाया था gave me 2 points on it.
No, that's fine. That's so both markets expected high got touched within 9:30 to 10:30 1 hour.
अच्छा 50 आपके 43 पे
उस पे
Gauge officially came down. Let's see if reversal starts. Time will tell. Yeah, reversal time is here.
मिडबैंड लेना चाहिए इसको
क्यों लेंगे मिड बैंड? लोअर लो से आ रही है तो नहीं क्यों? तो ले सकते हैं लेकिन मैं तो नहीं. मैं अभी अगर if this is SRES then I want to come down with the black candle. So one more time trying to test. I took my orders out. I need Nasdaq at R2. That's where I am a bit stuck somewhere. 140. I need Nasdaq at 140. From here, 100 points. I need Nasdaq. मैंने वहां से R2 से sell किया था. Couple of accounts I averaged. Let's see. We got lots of time. Time will tell.
Yes.
It's actually SRES worked already and it's done. Yes, नहीं आपको नंबर आ जाता है. So the lower high minus 4.75. Come on, come down to R2. Should come to around the mid band of 60 minutes, around 150. It should come down to. All right. If I can ask you one favor, do you want to move to along? Because for me, easier to address everybody in that one corner than.
Come say us to talk to you about joining.
Please. Okay. One.
Is minus 4.5. Even तो अगर ऊपर से आता है तो अगर नीचे से आता है हायर फ्लो से आएगा तो उल्टा चलेगा ऐसा है कि ये देखिए yes I think basically more loss in time says everything lower higher ऊपर आएगा then take minus 4 नीचे से आएगा plus 4 higher loss is 4.5 अगर इधर high फिर आपको 4.5
Either 6336.56 the close.
ఎస్టిమేషన్ మైనస్ పోతుంది ఇక్కడ అంతా అయితే టక్కని చేస్తుంది.
Actually, I have used it by calculator. That way is
All right, so this is my WhatsApp number. It's read by 4 individuals. If you have questions, best to, if Daniel can't solve it, next in line, you text us, and then somebody will definitely be able to help you out. So my name is Rafe, and this company has been around since 2008, and I will lead this floor Monday to Friday from 9 to 12. So in the morning, 9 to 12 is approximately you're running your live trading analysis. And then from 12 to 1, sometime I teach. But the way I teach for beginners is every Monday and every Wednesday, 7 to 9, 6 to 8 in the evening. If you log into superareas.com, there are classes that happen every day. So that's where I primarily teach for new users. It's the same concepts go over. So he does his Saturday and Sunday classes, and I come in and teach you about the floor, what exactly you're looking at, how everything is working. So let me run you down to some very briefs so you understand what exactly this is doing. Only difference with yourself would be that you won't be taking it in person. You're doing it online, actually, in the other office. So we have 2 other offices. So you will go to the Trinity office or the Keaton office. That's where you will learn how to trade, because they have purchased the software. You will be leasing the software. That's so I can give you. So what your So you have completed your 4 classes. Everything is good. I know by the time you complete your 4th class, you're confused about first. It's very normal. It's a bit of an information that's moving a lot. So, but it's very easy. It's not that difficult. We wait for certain things to align, and so you are going to become a day trader. What is a day trader's job? To trade something. Copper, natural gas, gold, Russell, doesn't matter, anything to trade. And you will be trading from 6 p.m. to next 5 p.m. That's a true definition of a day trader. You don't have to sit in front of the computer 23 hours a day. You can trade anytime between these times, 6 p.m. all the way up to 5 p.m. the next day. So that's one day. And you're trading lots of things, S&P, Nasdaq, gold, crude oil, natural gas, doesn't matter. You can do, so after finishing your classes, you understand. So I'm going to parallel run a presentation too. You have to, when you sign up today, you will need a Windows computer. So iCore 7, i7 with the 16 GB RAM at least, in order to run this program. It's a Windows software that allows you to predict the markets. So as a day trader, your job is you can sit anytime, morning, afternoon, evening, pick, and we want to get about $100 to $200 a day on average. That's the initial goal, is to make sure that you're able to get that much money out of the market. What you are going to be trading is futures. In front of you, the software that's running the charts and everything, you're trading futures. You're not trading stock. You're not doing options. You're not doing crypto. You're just trading futures contract. That's the main goal is. So once you learn day trading in futures, you can learn literally everything. Meaning you can, Any company, any world, this is the most difficult and the fastest. After that, you can learn the software you will be using in front of you is called NinjaTrader 8.1. That's the software that you have running right now in front of you. So you're becoming a day trader, futures trading, and within futures trading, main three markets, you will be doing S&P 500, Nasdaq, and gold. So these are the top three markets. 500 companies are in S&P 500, 100 companies are in, and gold is just gold. So you see ES, you have a price. So right now it's running at 6,337. You see a price. 6,337 is a price of S&P 500, one contract. That's the current price of it. So let me S&P 500. What is S&P 500? US 500 companies combined together into one. Amazon, Google, Tesla, Microsoft. Rather than you do individual, you're actually trading an index. So that's the whole goal, to make sure that you're able to trade the whole index. Your job, just predict, is it going to go up or down? That's it. You don't care about what these companies do. Your job is next 1 minute, next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it goes up or down. This algorithm that you will be using is called algo, is super areas. So if you sit down at a social event and you decide few things you should know, what do you trade? Okay, I'm a day trader, which means I'm not holding a position after 5. I close all my trades at 5 and I can open up at 6. I trade futures. They can say, okay, futures, stocks, options. So you're trading futures. What platform you use? NinjaTrader. There's Ninja, there's Meta, there's Sierra Chart. There's so many platforms out there. Algorithm, what algorithm are you using to plan your trades? Super areas is primarily. And number 5, most important, how do you fund your account? Which broker? So at the beginning, we'll get you going in something called a funded program. You will not be investing your own money at all whatsoever until you are comfortable trading with your own money and trading with live money. And most people start with around 2,500. That's the maximum. But I will not let you put in your money until you know how to buy, how to sell, how to enter. When I'm saying in the morning, the brief, SRES, 30-20, expected high, expected low, until then, nobody is trading back to expected high. One more time. 30-20 is doing an SRES right now. So until you understand what I just spoke, you are able to not put in your own money. You can do this in maybe 14 days, maybe 3 months, depending on how fast you learn. It's been same stuff for last 18 years. It hasn't changed. Just the software has gotten a little bit better. So this is your roadmap. Becoming a day trader, futures market, NinjaTrader, super areas algorithm, and we'll be doing a funded program. That's it. So once you're done, then you, on a monthly subscription, we charge you that $300 per month. For only difference is everything you do is remote learning, and it's a different person teaching you. So Daniel's lectures are given to you in a recorded format. Now let's break it down. What's the price? 6,340. S&P 500. Yes. Price of S&P 500, primarily everything in price of futures market moves something called the tick value. Every single thing has a tick value in together, 208. Okay. So next letter is 6,341, 6,342, 6,343. That's $3 move. I'll move it up a little bit. 6,344, 6345. So let's assume this is our current price. 41, 42, 43. And same thing, it comes down. 6339, 6338, 6337, 6336, 6335. So this is a price either going up or coming down. Price doesn't stay static. Either it will stay, rarely will stay same, but every time it's moving up and down. It was before 33, then went up to 40, now it's down to 38. So it's moving whole day, 23 hours a day, 365 days a year, except the US holidays. Price is moving. Your job is to figure out which direction the price should be going up. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it going up or down? So every time it goes up or down by $1, so from 63.40 to 63.41 or 63.39, that's a $1 gap, by the way, inside the price. That $1 move results in a $50 profit or loss. So the S&P 500 futures contract, ES, September contract, it's a $50 profit or $50 loss. So your job is 63.40 is sitting right now. Should it be buying or should I be selling? Are you predicting price to go up or down? If you are paid based on your price correction, meaning that I don't care, you tell me it's going down, and if it goes down, you get paid. I don't care if it goes up, and if it goes up, you get paid. So it is nothing to do with going up or down, that you must go up in order to profit. You can take 63.40, it can go down to 63.39, and you were in the sell side, you made $50. So you're at the beginning, your whole target of 23 hours is $100. That's your whole daily target. Are you able to make 100, 200, 300, 400? One more mid-band worked, by the way, I think. ठीक है, higher high से आ रहा है. ठीक है, no problem. It's fine. Just I looked at the mid-band. So 23 hours a day, your job is just to kind of make up 2 points. 61 $1 up jana and $1 नीचे. So whole goal is to make 2 points in a day. That's all your job is. Now every time it moves up $1 up or down, these two markets, Nasdaq and S&P, moves by quarter. So how does it move from here to here? There is 39.25, 39.50, 39.75, and 40. So that's how the price movement happens of S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Now, there are 9 or 10 methods for us that we sit down and we have figured it out how the price moves. It has a memory. We have an algorithm. You just have to follow it. So you leave the prediction part to us or the software. So computer will tell you that this is, so the thinking part is done by computer. You don't have to worry so much. We're just waiting for the price, and computer is doing some calculations and is saying you should be buying or you should be selling. There's more buyers in the market or more sellers in the market. So based on that, you pick your entry. If background color is green, buy. If background color is magenta, sell. And as you will get advanced into when to buy, when to not buy, is you will take about 3 months to learn this all. Because certain time you will buy and the price will change color, or certain time you will sell color. So that happens with news. If you're working with the red impact, high impact news, things can, so stay away from news. Whenever there's a news trading, don't trade. And most of the time I will be sitting here to tell you. So for example, this morning I came, we gave everybody a number, 23,300 and 63.50. It did not come here. It did not come here. These were my entry points, did not go there. So Yeah, so highest point, we were hoping that price will go here and it will correct itself. It went to 63.43 and this one went to 23.263. It's okay. But there are ways to trade, at least 14 ways for you to trade. You just have to pick a method. And for beginners, we just ask you to do one method. If background color is green, buy. If background color is red, sell. There's no third or fourth method that you have to worry. Simple as that. Leave it as that. So what is your homework to do for now? Log on to superareas.com tonight. There's a video called Ninja Trader 8.1 Beginner's Guide. So it's a 2-hour video. You will see under study section. Just watch it. Tells you about a lot of things about the software. What is this window? What is this chart? What are you watching? All of these things are really there for you to understand that if I'm watching, for example, gold or anything, what am I looking at? All of these things, right? So this is what's important for you is to tomorrow before you come or any time, I want you to watch that video and start practicing. So when you open Ninja, click on simulation, buy and sell. Learn if it's bullish, buy. If it's bearish, sell. From where? Midband. So our software is pretty simple. You don't have to worry so much. All you have to do is just figure out no news. What is written? Bearish, sell. Bullish, buy. From where? Midline. That's it. So midpoint. So things like RSI, divergence, gap trade, all these things you will learn as the time goes. But for now, watch the beginners, and then I want you to, 3 of you, to sit with Majid Bhai's office starting tomorrow. That he will lead you into just buying and selling beginning. Once you figured it out, then you move into this office and a little bit advanced, because what is the goal after 3 months? Daniel gave a brief in the morning. You should know what that means. So all of that has to make sense to you, and that will happen in about 3 months. Most people here may make a ridiculous amount of money, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 a day is not a big deal. But only problem you will run into in this business is element of greed is there. You will make money, then you want to make a little bit more money and a little bit more, and then you will lose it all, right? That's the problem that will happen. And then you will go up $500, then go down $400, go up $800, go down. So you have to come up with a set target. I'm going to make $100, close it. I'm going to do minus 300, close it. So you have to be disciplined. This whole thing is about discipline. And I broke my discipline today. I'm stuck in R2, which is a different number. It's much lower than this. It is at 23,140. And I'm hoping that it will come down by the 5 o'clock. But let's see. I still have quite a bit of a margin. It's not that big of a deal. But I was planning to do expected high, but then I saw R2, I entered. But anyway, so that's how you have to basically do. Just, is the price going to go up or down? If you don't feel, look at the computer. There's no feeling here. You don't think about it. Computer is saying it's going down, you go down. Computer is saying it's going up, you go up. This is ES. So right now it's 42, highest was 45. It should all go down, but when? That's a good question. So there you go. I know a little bit of an intro. So watch the videos, start buying and selling, and then you will sit down tomorrow after watching the video, because he will ask you, have you watched the video? What is a position window? What is a tab window? All of that. And then we'll go from there. So for you, just grab a laptop, sign up, and start going to the Trinity office, sit down with Murtaz, and you're good to go. And then you will do a 14-day trial. Yes.
So Monday and Wednesday, you said you will.
I do the classes Mondays and Wednesday. Let's do around 6 o'clock today, 6 to 8 when the market opens. In the evening. Wednesday 6 to 8. So Daniel does the lectures Monday, Saturday, and Sundays, and I do the physical, like with the computer, buying and selling, entering, and all of that. Yeah, 6 o'clock. Yeah, I'll do it. But it's for most of it is question and answers. They have if for the beginners, because you are very new, you should watch the video first on how to use the Ninja, and then come to the class and say, all right, I have a question about ATM, or I have a question about chart trader, I have a question about tick value, and we'll go from there. Yes.
Where I will find this in 15-10 chart
Okay, that's a very, very advanced question. You don't get it in 1510. You see it on a 60-minute chart. Value area is on a 60-minute chart. 60. You have so many charts at the bottom. So that's a 60-minute chart. 60. So you will see a yellow line going and cyan line going in a 60-minute chart. Divergence on 1510. Let's see. So take profit rules same है सर, कोई change नहीं हुआ है. नहीं वो 80 इस तरह है कि आपकी प्राइस $100 ही है, वही 100. So EA करें, PA करें, उसके बाद that's it. कोई मेजर चेंजेस नहीं आए जब से आप आई नो 2 months से मेरे ख्याल नहीं आए ना ऑफिस में, तो कोई चेंज नहीं आई. हाँ जी, कर लो, डाउनलोड करो. हाँ, निंजा ते अपना मोबाइल दा यूजर नेम पासवर्ड पा दियो जेड़ा निंजा दी वेबसाइट ते पांदे हो. लॉगिन करो निंजा ते. निंजा लॉगिन है वेबसाइट ते कंप्यूटर ते. अच्छा कंप्यूटर पे. अच्छा ninjatrader.com ਤੇ ਜਾਓ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਲਾਈਵ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Stuck around 23,200. Come on, go down to 140. सर कुछ भी नहीं हुआ वो इतने वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो थोड़ी सी होप लगी थी कि वो बैंकरप्सी सेल है, कुछ मिल जाएगा. कहते हैं क्लेम डालो. हाँ जी, ninjatrader.com. आजा भाई, थोड़ा सा और नीचे आजा, 140 पे आजा.
नहीं देखते तो फिर कैंडल के पास लॉन्च भी कर सकते मजा
So login हो गए?
एरिया का वो
हाँ जी
दोबारा डिक्लेरेशन
नहीं वो ठीक है नॉन प्रोफेशनल
नॉन प्रोफेशनल लेकिन अच्छा
ठीक जा रहे
फोन पे करना एक मास्टर बने बोलना का
ठीक है ठीक है बिल्कुल सॉरी मैं नहीं मैं कोई गल नहीं
मैं ना देगा
लॉगिन हो गया नहीं लाइव मीनिंग कि सिर्फ जिथे करना है मैं नाल दस दिना कि इत्थों मैं जा रहे हैं मैं इस वेले R2 तो एंटर है लाइव दे विच
अच्छा
उत्थे थोड़ा जिहा मैं आउट सीगा मैंने चाहिए 140 ब्रेक इवन
अच्छा आदमी सोते ही
ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਲਾਈਵ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਹੈ ਨਾ
ਲਾਈਵ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਹੈ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੌਗਇਨ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੇਮੈਂਟ ਭੇਜਣੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਹਾਂ ਭੇਜਣੀ ਹੈ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਫੰਡ ਯੂਰ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਭੇਜ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਵਾਇਰ ਕਰ
डेबिट कार्ड पर भेजना ठीक है ना
हाँ अपनी ईमेल आएगी ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਕੋਡ ਪਾਓ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਵਾਇਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ हाँ जी जरा देखो है लेफ्ट पे थोड़ा चार्ट पड़े ना बैठे हाँ जी है वैल्यू हाँ जी Again, went back up to, goes down a little bit, retrace, then goes back up. Oh, crazy. Let's see when we will take a full retrace. Any? Any? And now price is consolidation, because if you look, 30-20 midband is starting to go flat. Goes up a little, goes down. So there's no curves anymore in 30-20. So 50 is still okay, but 10 points from here. The swings are so big now. Back to ES expected high. Let's do 11:30 next candle, half an hour. $23,263. Let's check the fib charts. नहीं, वो तो खाली ईमेल चाहिए. Reported signal. How come it's not working?
minus that.
There you go. Again, bill mid-band is flat. Bill flat. On 30 to 1510, this goes up 5 points up, 5 points down. So the word is consolidation.
The direction of movement is also.
Yeah, it's not confirmed which way it wants to go now.
So he asked bid or market
Ask bid closest to the current price, and the market is just whatever the price is, it will give you. Sometime you click on it, maybe give you 3 ticks up or 3 ticks down. The market is, unless you know what you're doing, so ask as close to the current price. So bid be same. Ask and bid is as close to the current price. Yes. Goes back up and down, up and down. Come on.
Gold पे उन्होंने they have given 2 areas each. पहले एक ही area
नहीं हमेशा गोल्ड में
जी extreme high और
हमेशा दो ही होता है, एक्सपेक्टेड हाई एक्सट्रीम हाई, एक्सपेक्टेड लो एक्सट्रीम लो।
अच्छा लास्ट टाइम हम देख रहे थे एक ही एरिया आ रहा था मैं आज
नहीं वो शायद कंफर्म होगा, वो फ्राइडे का शायद एरिया
ये फ्राइडे को
फ्राइडे इज इवन लेस,
ओके
नॉर्मली इज 2 अप एंड 2 डाउन।
ओके
या
गोल्ड पे प्रैक्टिस करना वो अच्छा
हाँ नहीं साइन अप कर ले बस, और देन इट्स ऑल आर
कितने बोला?
easier for me to come rather than for you to walk to the left. Yes.
अच्छा हमने तो लेकिन कंट्रोल पूरी करना है
स्पाइक कभी लेकिन लेकिन वैसे को पता ये देखो
ये देखो
पिवट में ये पिवट क्या है
मेरा तो चवन work control,
yeah
double click the order, full attack.
Okay.
yeah
Okay, thank you.
मैंने बैंक higher high से
पे आए ये स्पेशली कश्मीरी is really confident because 70% it will work, 30% is one of the 30%. इसलिए होती है ये डाइवर्जन आ रहा है ये वो डाइवर्जन
नहीं लेकिन ये आप लोगों के लिए ट्रेनिंग तो ऑनलाइन होती है,
जो वो सही है और वो किसके लिए
वो जो मंथली पर मंथ
और $300 पर मंथ तो आम सब
वो ये फीस ये दो डिफरेंट मॉडल चल रहा है। अगर इधर ट्रेनिंग लेनी है तो आप इधर है
ओके
नहीं फिर वो वन लिखते हैं, वन लिखते हैं और में चेंज करेंगे। Come on now. Where are we right now? 36. चलनी शुरू हुई नीचे कि नहीं अभी?
ये ऐसे था ये मेरी मैप Yes. और आपने मिडबैंड वाला नहीं लगाया थी स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं गेम वाली लगाया मैंने अच्छा उड़े आपका ओके कैसे मेरे नहीं अभी इधर से नहीं समथिंग
606.
मेरी भी स्ट्रैटेजी वही लगी है 12
मैंने एक चौबीस
strategy check and it's going to मैं तो मिड पॉइंट से अटैच कर दिया
फिर मैंने बात करते हैं
करंट है पॉइंट स्टॉप हम तक स्टॉप क्योंकि इधर है डाउन वाटर अच्छा फिर लगा लो से So, limit. Come on. I might be.
And
Status.
maybe I'm not saved with your number, so you have to send me a WhatsApp. Then I will reply back and save your contact. आपने अभी ज्वाइन किया?
हमने क्लासेस जो ली थी ना तो 2 हफ्ते पहले ली थी
Okay.
इन सेशन हम मतलब ऑनलाइन आपका सेशन
Okay. Fair enough. I understand. 260. $6,332 came down there. 6,332. Stuck around R2. 9118. 9118. Okay, so 0, 10, 10, 10. 0, 10, 10, 10. All right, the Europeans are gonna close soon, in about 15 minutes. So let's see.
मेरा लेट लगा था मैं गलत सोचा था मिड बैंड मूव हो गया मैंने कोई नहीं करता लेट चलो
कोई ना तो है सम तो साउंड
30 नहीं आपका 100 होगा 100 बना
नहीं तो 7
100 80 में
No, I'll save your.
कल 9 बजे आना
Hi, nobody market open, so माजिद भाई सिर्फ डायरेक्टली उनसे जाएंगे आप, लेकिन वो वीडियो देख लीजिएगा बिगिनर्स का. या okay already. Oh great, you're ahead. You'll get, you are 3 months ahead of your time. So, that's good. No, it's okay. Because the faster you will go, the slower you'll get there. Just telling you. And this, it's nothing to do. There's certain things you must do before you G1, G2, G, then M1. So no problem.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Take care. Take care.
I did 7. Can I?
ठीक है, मैं भी आपको करवा देता हूँ. एक सेकंड.
Can I sell now?
Yeah, it's late though. The trade is done. Yeah, so no, if you put it, then that bar could go back up, but you had to be ready earlier, not now. Hello, Ji. Hello. ठीक ठाक सर, every day new day. Expected आया, जल्दी done हो गया तो. Sorry, you still managed to get a point. There you go. See, but sell from mid-band. So that's the only thing we teach you is mid-band.
Daniel will tell like sell at lower high, but right now the candle is lower low.
No, but you have to look at the mid-band is at a lower high. So mid-band is the entry. Back to 216. Let's see. Once again, our expected high got done.
Now just now change the color. Can you go ahead and
No, wait, yeah. But wait, 30-20 is not green yet. At least get the confirmation that trend is going.
मैंने पीछे भेज
Been testing expected high for both values.
little bit challenging to do the trading in all markets.
It's not easy. Goes back up to 245 again. Let's see.
Fighting कर रहा है, Biden ने post
ट्राइड नहीं
global police के साथ.
हम ट्राइड नहीं
Biden ने मुझे पता.
ट्राइड
इन्हें क्या किया? Illegally लगा अपना रखा. इन्हें क्या किया? Action की जगह पे जिनको को अपना प्रोग्राम बनाया.
अच्छा
हाँ का जब आपका कोई रील्स नहीं ये चीज आप समझते नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं
हाँ वो किसी ऐसे होता है आपका इंडिकेशन या आप लोड करो या
In back up to 45.
अभी 50 पे
Next number is 50, right?
रियल नहीं होता ये लिखा हुआ है
Yeah.
50 में into 55 पर आ सिर्फ 50 आप अच्छा खुला छोड़ते हो प्रॉफिट मैंने बना ये सब तरीका उसमें मैंने लगाया आप 2020 लगा नहीं एक बार टच हो जाए फिर आपके हाथ में बता डन हो गया तो बस करो
50 the upper band देख रहे हैं. Yeah, Europe is closed now, guys, at 12. So here you go. We are close to the upper range.
आपने 50 लिया नहीं ऊपर लिया
50 का वेट कर रहा हूँ.
मैंने 50 से नीचे कर लिया मैंने कहा क्या आएगा
No problem.
पिछली बार धोखा दे दिया
ये मुझे तो दिया था मुझे तो
आप नीचे दो
मैंने पूरे पे दोबारा जब आया ना ऊपर तब मैंने 43 पे
long weekend. ऊपर भी लगा 54 54 spoke to the much अच्छा almost
To 48.50 it came down from. It's okay. It's missed is missed.
This two boxes are coming, right? The blue and green.
Yeah, these are Fibonacci boxes.
So what exactly does it?
That means price can fall inside and maybe do a bit of a retrace.
So the price can fall until that green.
Yes, and then maybe do a bit of a retrace.
Yes. Green plus clicks. ये ऑर्डर लगा
तकरीबन काम तो हो गया फिनिश
सर पहले की तरह आएगा एकदम से 45 उठाएगा मिस हो गया पहले 43 पे लगा के रखा था बाद में मैंने हटा दिया जैसे आपने हटाया ना वो 43 एकदम से बनाते हो तो बता दिए हम लगा देंगे तो मेरे में उठा लिया था ये अभी ये पिछला ये भी बिटकॉइन काम करेगा कर चुका है डन अच्छा नहीं सिर्फ के नीचे था हम लोग ऊपर ही करके हमारा होते रहते ये देखो कितना तक बहुत अच्छा दोनों साइड से हाई से Not simple, right?
It can hit me.
50 नहीं नहीं मिडवेट तो जा चुका है
नहीं नहीं 60 अगर इसको देखें 64 पे 4 to 6 1 8 ticks रहेगा
8 to 370.
calculate 15 10 gap trade का 15 10
Yeah, valid. Midman both green coming from higher high. I'm not sure if it got picked up, but
नहीं मैं सिंपल में और ये गैप ट्रेड भी कह सकते हैं
gap mid price touch hui. BB is somewhat close to.
ग्रीन में जा रहे हैं भी जाएगा 50 कोशिश कर
Let's see. One more time, because Nasdaq wants to touch the upper limit now.
मिनी छोड़ सकते हैं मिनी मिनी
Yeah, I mean, if you want, because it's an expected high and we still have lots of time until 5 o'clock. So
मिनी बड़ा है हाँ बट what we do is we yes we will pass कर ठीक है उसके बाद माइक्रो रिस्क but in here so macro and E is where we absolutely macro के लिए तो less right ज़्यादा macro के less right many people
all right, guys. Price is an expected high for both. So if you want to wait for 50 or higher, and for Nasdaq at least 23,300 or higher. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Time to go. I will shut off the stream.